shows you that you are capable of overcoming your fears. And these people have now thrown a big challenge at you. Don't be the same 3 to 5 years from now. There is a little story about this king who wanted to give away his daughter, but he wanted to give a test to whoever would marry the daughter and also take half of his kingdom's wealth. So he put a test. He filled the pool with crocodiles and invited the young men who were interested to swim across the pool. On the opposite side, he had his daughter, he was holding her hand, and he told the young men, please line up, and when I say go, you jump into the pool. Whoever arrives here safely can take my daughter. The king had hardly finished his short speech, then he had a splash in the water. What? Somebody was swimming furiously across the pool, and in no time the fellow was this side, breathless. And he told the young man, congratulations, how did you do it? You have earned this. The young man was breathless. He said, king, before I thank you for the prize I'm going to get, I want to know who pushed me into the water. Chancellor, that's what you have done. You are pushing these people into the crocodile-infested waters. Good luck to you all, and may God bless you.